Matthew's crawling towards the cat and he's
like,
running away.
He runs like 10 feet away and then just waits for him to come closer and then runs again.
Keep that kid entertained, kitty.
Well, I don't know what kind of a creature this is.
Like he just goes like that. Oh my gosh, he's like so ready.
I don't know why Matthew's crawling either.
He can walk.
He's
Right?
like, I'm just gonna
Might be
be
hard
like
to
the
walk on
cat.
grass.
Yeah, it's probably.
Yeah, it could be walking hard.
You know, Mom,
Yeah.
I know why Patches, Greg's cat, doesn't like children.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's because Greg told me that she was
Okay.
abused by children one time when she was a baby
Yep.
or something like that.
Yeah.
So maybe all cats probably think that about children, probably,
Oh,
right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's just smoke over where I was.
Oh, I started getting like
You need any help, Mom?
I think I'm good. You think we want the cushions for the brick seats over there?
No, there's plenty of camp chairs.